Hi! Welcome to the how-to tutorial of simulating hot runners in Inspire Mold. Hot runner capability allows users to simulate the actual behavior of an insulated or temperature-infused runner system. Once we have opened the model, first navigate to the molding ribbon and molding group. Under the Advanced Analysis, define the mold cavity, molding material, temperature, and gates. Now, let us click on the runner system icon and go to the hot runner system. We can either create a hot runner system or define the existing runner as a hot runner. Click on the sub-icon of hot runner and then select the part from the assembly to be designated as a hot runner. Choose if the hot runner is insulated or temperature-infused from the micro dialog box. Now designate sprue and injection point as demonstrated. Define process parameters. Right-click and confirm to exit the selection, and run the simulation from the advanced icon by defining mesh criteria and stages of the molding process.